Hi, welcome to Sumery P. Have you been searching for a moist carrot cake that's also light? I have a 1 bowl carrot cake to show you today. So come with me and let's see. Here we have everything ready to start mixing. We've got 400 grams of grated carrots. That's about 4 large carrots. Got 225 grams of flour. I'm using Spelt flour today. 50 grams of caster sugar, 150 of dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon over here. We've got 125 grams of oil. I'm using rice bran oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. So let's get mixing. So this cake is so easy. You just need to mix everything in with a 1 bowl. I'm going to use the little hand beater today to show you this how simple it is. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, it's all mixed. But let's just pour this into the tin. So my oven's already on 160 preheating. I have a fan forced oven. I've lined my tin with baking paper. So I'm just going to pour it in the tin. So we're going to bake our cake for 50 minutes. So let's get baking. Our carrot cake is cooked and out of the oven, and we're just going to let it cool in the tin for 10 minutes. I'm going to take the cake to a friend's tonight, and I need to walk there. So I haven't put the cream cheese icing on it. I've just dusted it with icing sugar. So you can see here, I've dusted it with the icing sugar. It's still warm. It tastes nice and moist, and you can taste the cinnamon. So if you've liked what you've seen, hit the like, and you can get the full recipe down below in the details. Thank you for watching today. Please comment below if you've tried this recipe and you like what you've made. And if you've got any ideas on anything that you'd like me to make, please let me know. Send me a message. See you next time.